Alright, welcome to the channel. My name is Eric, and today we're going to be working on a Champion, what is it, 1800 watt, 1400 rated watt. Customer said that the rewind almost started, but that let it go, so we'll work together at it. So stay tuned. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is get the rewind off. And let's see what happened here. Looks like it pulled. Then a little bit more on it. Just like that. Alright, let's see if where we'll start. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is I'm going to check compression. One of the things that you have to keep in mind with these newer generators and stuff is they have the compression let off. So to try to get up around that 90 to 120 range, you're probably not going to be able to do it. So if you see a 40 to 60 on these, they will run. It's just how they built the system. Be nicer if the guy doing the mechanical stuff would get out of the way so you could see what's going on. Let's see what we get. See, I wasn't feeling much compression. When doing this, I got just above 60. You're on 60. So most of the time you think, well, we're all done, right? Because there's not enough compression, but that's not the case in these engines with the compression let off to release. As you can see, I had it running before. So what we're going to do now is drain the gas out of the carburetor. Yeah, get the water. And there was a lot of water in the gas in the base of the carburetor, so we took that out. There's a little set screw in that carburetor part way up, just there for that purpose alone. And I put some PRI-G in the fuel tank, slushed it around just to see if that would help as well. So we're going to put it all back together and put it outside and just let it run. But we're going to have to do an oil change on it, a new plug. When I was doing the rewind, it's simply the pull cord had pulled through, so I just reset it and wrapped it so that the spring was tightening up, and then once you let it go, it's ready to go.
The recoil pulled right through.
It was a little short. Somebody give it a good long game.
But what we're going to do here is I'm just putting it back together enough so that we can start it up, let it run for a little bit so that the oil will warm up so it'll run out of it quicker. All right, so we're bringing it back in. You say we checked the oil on it, coal black. I mean, they never serviced this engine since they bought it brand new. And this is what I talked about this morning about the throwaway generation. Run it until it dies and then go get another one.
Do I drain the oil?
I would. I put the oil in it first and then
See if it stays running?
see if she stays running, because the drain is right here.
There's one here too.
Is it? It should be all that. Past the where she said, and she'll run right to the pan right there. Drain, man. Oil. Who's this? Oh, it's in there now. Right there. Alright, pull that bucket against you. Here.
She's black as coal. Put the oil plug back in there. But we drained the bottom of the carburetor bowl because it had water in it. We put some of the PRI-G in it. See if that helped it a little. You want to run 10W30 in these? Yeah, I'll get some oil, bottle. We'll get her filled up. That one's done, ready to go back.